Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another cool show and tell for you guys. I've been cleaning nonstop during quarantine and I decided to bring out something cool that I think you guys will really enjoy. Now it wouldn't be Paulina's vintage closet if I didn't share something vintage with you guys. So today I brought out my vintage compact collection, some powders, some lipsticks, other little knickknacks that I think you guys will enjoy. So keep on watching. Now, the first piece that I wanted to show you guys is this really cool House Hollywood cake makeup that I dug up. Isn't the packaging really amazing? Now, you can obviously tell this is from the 1960s. I love just how simple the design is. And when I opened it, obviously it still had some of the makeup on there. Now, I'm not one of those people that try vintage makeup on, but I can tell that this is really adorable. And I almost wish they would bring this packaging back along with whatever this product really was, just because of the packaging. It's just really adorable. So when I read on the back, it says House Hollywood Cake Makeup is a flattering powder base. Will cover blemishes and create a smooth, glamorous appearance. After face has been clean, apply with a moist sponge or cotton. Blend with fingertips while drying. I don't know. I think it's really adorable. Definitely should be brought back. Now, another piece that I have that I freaking love, and I think I had another one of these. I might have sold this on eBay. Sometimes when I go shopping, I like to buy in too. So if I see something similar, I buy it. This is a really cool Helena Rubinstein compact. It has a mirror inside and it has a really cute lipstick on here. Let's try to pull it out. Ooh, it still has some product on there. Let me try and see if I can show it to you guys. Ooh, one side is really red and then the other side is kind of like, not that cute. I love the design. I don't know why people don't make makeup like this anymore, but just the packaging alone from back then is like superb. And then of course you open it up. Let me see if I can even open it for you. So you open it up and it still has the mirror. It still has the little sponge and then some product. Definitely never going to use that. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube and just anywhere trying these vintage products. Now, I'm not one to test things like that on my face, but when they do it, some of that stuff still looks pretty good and usable, which is kind of scary. Anyways, moving on. I have another cool lipstick. Now this, I want to say, it looks like 1950s packaging. Could be sooner, could be later. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment, you guys. But the color, oh my god, I love this color. It doesn't really show up on camera, but it's like a bright orange. It looks more red to me on camera, but it's really beautiful. To me, it looks like a 1960s color. I'm not sure who did this though. Let's see. Dewberry did Warm Poppy. I love it. I don't know why, but sometimes with a cute vintage outfit and a really, really nice purse, I just love to throw these on there. I think they're definitely like good accessories just to have, even if you're not going to wear it. They just go really well, in my opinion. Another cool thing I wanted to show is this compact. This is a bigger compact, but I definitely, after quarantine, need to start wearing these in my purse because I never, ever have a mirror. Do you guys always have a mirror? Let me know. Just big old packaging. This is a really good mirror though. I think past quarantine, definitely gonna throw this in my purse. It is a little heavy though. Probably from the 60s or 50s again. Really nice. You could have thrown your powder in there back then. I should actually throw some, but okay. So after I turned 25, I started being really dry. So I have dry skin now. But before, I would always kick on that powder because I really needed it. But we'll see. We'll see. So another cool piece I wanted to show is this one. Now, most of these items I got throughout the years, like antique fairs, at the flea market, anywhere really. This one, I know I got it at a thrift store around town. And I want to say I paid probably too much for it, but it was for a good cause. So it was definitely worth it. Now, I like this one because it does come with 2 lipsticks. And then if you try to open it, there it is. The little beautiful. I actually really like this one because I think what I like about it is it's small. Especially compared to the other one I just showed you guys. It's way big and chunky. But this one I really like. Now let me see if I can open the lipsticks. No lipstick on there, but maybe I can try to put one. What do you guys think? Should I do that? And then this one. So when I first got it, I didn't know what this was specifically, but now it just looks like it's something that was used for, well, I can't open it, but it was, you know, just little drops of your perfume and you put here and there. So that's really cute. Definitely would try to use this in my purse. All right, moving on. Let's see what else I can show you guys. So this is a basic Stratton compact. I'm not sure if this one actually has the powder. I just actually pulled these out. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, it doesn't even look like it's used. Is it used? Should I put my powder on there? I don't know. It just looks really good, like the gold frame on it. It's not even oxidized or anything. Really nice, really nice. So this one, I remember where I got it. I got it at an antique fair. Now, I was eyeing it for like 2 years because they brought back their same merch and some of it obviously hadn't been sold yet. But one day I was like, you know what? I'm just going to get it. And I'm so happy I did because look how amazing this is. It has a compact that you throw in there. You securely put. And then it has the lipstick on the other side, which I think I just pulled out the wrong way. Ah, where did it go? Pulling it out in pieces. The color is amazing. This is another kind of, it's a lighter peach to me, but it looks really bright orange on camera, but it's beautiful. And it is a royal lipstick, Dewberry Royal Lipstick. So another Dewberry. And just the packaging alone is worth it for these kinds of things, especially if you're into makeup. And then let's see what the compact looks like, because I actually didn't pull that one out for you. Oh, it looks beautiful. It has like a little flower on there. It looks like it hasn't even been used, but it probably has. No, it hasn't. You know, I'm so glad I actually pulled these out because I didn't even realize that they were not used, some of these. But I'm not going to put that on my face. It's just really cute to have for decoration. Really beautiful. I love it. Love this stuff. So, okay, this is a really, really nice piece. I think I got this at the same antique fair as the other one that I just showed you. I had to get it. Look at that amazing face. Wow, amazing. Now on the back, there's something missing there. Don't know if you guys can see it. And it's just a mirror, but it's really, really, really big. And it's not heavy, so you can actually put this in your purse. Probably easier than this big ol' one. And even more so than this one. This is actually a whole lot more heavy than this one, but just the face alone was enough for me to buy it. And I did see another one of these at the Alameda Vintage Fair that they have yearly. Passed it up. I was like, you know what? Let me go see what else I find. Maybe there's something else I want. When I came back, it was that moment where somebody else was buying it. So buyer's remorse, I always tell you. All right, so another cool piece I have is this small little compact. It's cute. Just gold hardware. Oh, look. It fell off. It's nice. This one definitely is way more used, just a sponge alone. Kind of stinky, but it's cute. I like it. Now let's see. So this isn't a compact. This isn't makeup, but I love this piece. I think it still had some use to it. Now I'm a little scared of actually even trying to light anything with it, but I love this little camel lighter. It's just freaking adorable. And it's small. There's just something about these vintage lighters that I like. And then also, I've been hoarding some of these cute little coin purses. This one, I don't think I got it anywhere like around locally. I believe I got it on eBay a while ago, but it's just a cute little ladybug coin purse. I want to say it's like a made in Japan 1960s coin purse. Really cute. I love the color. It's really nice. I haven't worn it out either. There's nowhere to wear things out right now, so I just keep hoarding them. And then another compact I have is another gold one. This one, it doesn't have a sponge, or anything on there. So this would probably be really good to use. And it does have the mirror. Most of these aren't branded. I just know this one is a Helena Rubinstein. And then I want to say this one is a Stratton. And then I don't think I saw anything on this one. And if I did, it's probably too small for me to read. But I still like this one too. Now, another thing that I wanted to show was this really adorable vintage pill box. You guys see that? It's really cute. Sometimes I'm a little picky with trying to actually use the vintage pill boxes, because I don't know, it's just something that you're going to put in your mouth and then it's in there. Obviously you can clean it though, but it's just kind of like my own thing that I don't want to do. And then last but not least, so this was a really cute piece. I remember when I was younger, my mom would always have lipstick holders. I don't know when this one was made. It does look newer. It looks like it's from like the 90s. And it probably is. Now, it had a mirror in there, but it just fell off as I was trying to open it. But, I don't know. Are lipstick holders still a thing? Do your guys' moms still use them? Let me know. What do you guys think? So, that pretty much concludes my show and tell for you guys. Let me know which your favorite piece was. Of course, you guys know, 1960s. I think since I was in high school, I had a thing for the 60s. So this is definitely my favorite piece. I just love that blushy pink color of it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you.